Hi everyone, my name is Lena Nguyen. I'm a family law attorney. Today I'm going to answer the question, can I file for divorce in Texas? A common belief and misconception is that you must file for divorce in the state where you were married. However, that is not true. Our lives are ever-changing, and with the development of transportation and travel, moving is far easier and it has become more common. Every state has their own requirements for filing for divorce. Here are 6 key points to get a divorce in Texas. Number 1, you or your spouse must be a domiciliary of Texas. To be domiciled in Texas, that means that you or your spouse must have lived in Texas for the preceding 6 months prior to filing for divorce. Number 2, if you and your spouse meet the 6-month Texas domiciliary requirement, you can file in the county that you or your spouse resided in for 90 days prior to filing. Number 3, if you meet the 6-month requirement, you must file in the county you resided in for the 90 days prior to filing. Number 4, if your spouse is the one that meets the 6-month Texas domiciliary requirement, then you must file in the county where your spouse resides. Number 5, now if only one spouse is a domiciliary of Texas, the other spouse must be properly served. And number 6, the most important one of all, a Texas court can grant you and your spouse a divorce if numbers 1 through 5 are met. However, if your spouse is not a resident of Texas and you're asking the court to divide marital property or require your spouse to pay spousal support or make any other personal obligations, then additional requirements have to be met.
Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you live in Texas and would like a free self-help divorce kit, please check the description box below to sign up.